Here are the elevators at the Empire State Building. And these are super fast. These are Otis regen elevators. We got this one to our...
G7. No, the calls.
Look up. Let's look up. We should look up because there's a show on the ceiling of the elevator. The capacity is 3,500. This is the Otis regen elevator. Here we go.
Welcome to the world's most famous building, and you get to see it built. Keep your arms and legs inside and keep your eyes open. See those hot rivets fly through the air?
It's awesome when I hear
Nice catch, Lou! Get those planks out of the way, huh? Oh, hey, watch it! We're coming up here!
He was popping.
Hey, Bucky, you gonna ride that thing all day? Do something useful, will ya? All right, we're coming up to the 80th floor. You're headed to the top of the Empire State Building right here in the heart of New York City.
Here we are. Well, here, these are the elevators. That is...
On the left, you're gonna find another elevator to 80.